The Goniometric Research Apparatus for compound eyes, it's a sophisticated system designed to chart the visual space of insect eyes. The system ranges elements of mechanical electronics and optoelectronics engineering, together with microscopy, optics, and image analysis. Mapping the visual axis distribution of compound eyes has previously been performed manually, involving extremely tedious procedures. The development of an automated analysis of the optical organization of compound eyes allows assembling the necessary data in a much more effective, time-saving way. The necessary experimental steps require a number of algorithms that we have developed using precisely Matlab. The optical and mechanical elements of the experimental setup are mostly standard. In animal vision, compound eyes are by far the most popular devices to scan the surroundings. They are fundamentally different from the concave structure of single-chamber eyes. In apposition eyes, such as those of most diurnal insects, each of the lenses does form a tiny image. However, this is not what the animal actually sees. The eyes are able to sample in time as well as in space. Then we can define the spatial vision as resolution of features of the surroundings according to the direction of origin. The receptors convert visible electromagnetic radiation into signals that can stimulate biological processes. The pupil mechanism could bleed light out or transfuse light in of the radums, depending on the insect. In the images of this slide, for instance, we see how males of the Eristalis nemorum are flying around the female. Specialized regions of their compound eyes are meant to localize potential partners.